Welcome to Simple SQL. Today we're going to look at reporting in Power BI. The very first thing we need to do is sign up for Power BI if we haven't already. I just searched for Power BI in Google, and now I find powerbi.microsoft.com, and go ahead and click on that. When you get to the page, if you haven't already signed up, you can just click Start Free, and then Try Free. Now, this is going to prompt you for a work email address, and you have to have a work email address. If you don't already have one, you can go and get a free Microsoft 365 subscription, and I'll leave a link to that in the description of the video. I'm going to go ahead and put in the email address that I signed up with for my free subscription, and then click Sign Up. Okay, and so now it's asking if I would like my information shared. Not particularly, and I'm going to click Start. Now it's asking me to send invitations to my coworkers. I'm just using this to learn, so I'm going to go ahead and skip this. And now I find myself in the Power BI interface. The very first thing I want to do is download a copy of Power BI Desktop. We can just click on the three dots at the top, go to Download, and select Power BI Desktop. When it says it wants to open the Microsoft Store, go ahead and click Open. And now you can see we're presented with a link to Power BI Desktop. Go ahead and click on Install. And once that's done, launch the application. Here we are in Power BI Desktop, and in the next episode, we'll go over connecting to your local instance of SQL Server and starting to take a look at the data that we imported. Thanks for your time, and I'll talk to you later.